In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image in Canva 2025 super fast. Whether you're creating a presentation, designing social media posts, or working on a personal project, updating images in Canva is an essential skill. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva and log into your account. This should be a pretty straightforward step for most of you. Once you're logged in, create a new canvas or open an existing design that you'd like to update. This canvas is essentially your workspace, where all the magic happens. Imagine it as your digital canvas, ready to be populated with elements that reflect your creativity. Once you have your design up and running, it's time to update that old image. To do this, we're going to use the Elements tab, which is conveniently located on the left menu panel. If you haven't explored this feature much, it's a treasure trove of resources including images, graphics, and illustrations, all ready to enhance your design. Simply type in a keyword related to the kind of image you're looking for. Canva's extensive library will provide you with a plethora of options to choose from. When you've found the image you like, click on it to select it. A handy little trick that Canva offers is the ability to drag this image directly onto your canvas. As you do so, it will replace the existing image seamlessly. This drag and drop feature is a real time saver and makes editing incredibly fluent. It's like having the freedom to physically move elements around, but digitally. Alternatively, if you have your own images that you'd like to use, Canva makes that easy too. Navigate over to the Uploads tab, once again located on the left side menu. Here you can upload any image directly from your computer to Canva. Once uploaded, just like with the images from the Elements tab, you can drag it onto your canvas. As you drag it over the existing image, you'll notice Canva smartly replaces it for you, maintaining any edits or sizes previously set. This method gives you great flexibility, allowing you to choose between Canva's vast library or your personal images. Keeping your projects up to date with fresh images has never been more straightforward. Whether you're refining a professional presentation or creating heartfelt birthday cards, these steps enable you to infuse new visuals with ease. I hope this guide simplifies the process of replacing images for you, making your designing journey in Canva both efficient and enjoyable. Remember, creative design is about exploration and experimentation, so go ahead and give it a try. Enjoy crafting your new projects with these updated skills. Thanks for watching and happy designing!